Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1990 ECE paper, and this question is related to digital circuits. Which of the following resistance networks can be used as 3-bit or 2R ladder DAC? Assume V0 corresponds to LSB. Okay, this is V0 for every circuit diagram. If you are going to be checking, V0 is nothing but this one, V0 and V0, again it is V0. V0 corresponding to LSB and V2 corresponding to MSB. So V2 is corresponding to MSB. Okay, so which out of these three circuits can be a resistance network that can be used in the 3-bit R2R ladder DAC? R2R ladder DAC. Okay, in this one, if you are going with voltage at MSB has to be twice of voltage at next bit, that is nothing but MSB minus 1 bit. Okay, and if you are going for this one, 4 times of voltage across MSB minus 2 bits. Like this you have to get. Since it is going to be only 3 bit, we can write it as, if B2, B1 and B0 are going to be the bit combination, so voltage at MSB is nothing but VB2, that you can write it as V2. Okay, VB2 is equal to twice of VB1, that is nothing but 4 times of VB0. Okay, that is nothing but simply in our terms the voltage V2. Okay, V2 has to be equal to 2 times of V1, and that is nothing but 2 times of V0, which is nothing but 4 times of V0. Not implies nothing but related to B0. So V0 is the LSB, V2 is the MSB voltage. The relation between V2, V1, V0 voltage across the bits is going to be in this way. So which satisfies this equation out of these three networks, which satisfies this equation, that will be the right answer. Okay, so whenever you are going in this way, the first network, if you are checking about first network, it is going to be consisting of, you will get the voltage only whenever it is 2k, then only you are getting the exact thing. This is 2k, it is 1k, so the parallel combination is going to be yielding some other value. Okay, actually this, if it is going to be giving 1k at that time, if this combination is giving 1k, 1k it will become 2k, 2k in parallel, so that again you will get 1k, that 1k will become 2k, so that it will be satisfying this equation if this parallel combination is giving 1k. But this parallel combination is not giving 1k, so it cannot be used. Okay, here also the same situation, this parallel combination is not going to give, this parallel combination is not giving the 1k, and also this is not 1k. There are two things to be satisfied. This parallel combination has to give 1k, and this situation, this 2 kilo ohms must be replaced with 1 kilo ohm, then only this will be used for the R2R ladder DAC. Now if you are looking at this one, voltage across this one is going to be, let us assume V is going to be the voltage across this one, you must get over here as V by 2, you must get over here as V by 4. Are you going to get that one or not? You can check. Okay, so now 2R is nothing but, it will be combination is nothing but a single R is nothing but, that is 1 kilo ohm. 1 kilo ohm is 1 kilo ohm plus 1 kilo ohm, it is 2k again in parallel with 2k, so that will become again 1k plus 1k, 2k is nothing but, again it will be giving the highest value. So this is going to be R2R ladder network, which can be easily you can apply parallel theorem, you can apply the easily, that is resistances can be connected in parallel with the correct values R to R. That implies nothing but, this side is R always, these are going to be always R, and this side is going to be always 2R. If the circuit is going to be having in this way, at that time that will be the corresponding one. Okay, the last one is nothing but, the last one is going to be extra connected to make it as 1k, so this is also 2r. So the right answer for this one is nothing but, only circuit 3 is going to be satisfying this one, only circuit 3 will satisfy this equation, so that the right answer for this one is C.